Dear friends, welcome to my channel. On this video I am explaining inside of the computer parts. You may already know there are many of major important parts are inside the computer. What exactly do write it? Have you ever looked inside a computer case? Or seen pictures of the inside of the one. The small parts may look complicated, but the inside of computer case is not really all that mysterious. The major parts are help to make a computer, whether it is a desktop or laptop computer. Did you see the highlighted box is called a motherboard? Every computer has a large circuit board and it is called motherboard. This contains some of small parts and some of the major parts are connected and it is called as a motherboard. Such as the highlighted box where the central processing unit chip is placed. It is called as a central processing unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It is located inside the motherboard where the red box is highlighted and blinked. The CPU is 2-inch ceramic square with a silicon chip located inside and also called with a heat sink. The processor speed is measured in megahertz or million of instructions per second and gigahertz or billion of instructions per second. However, the actual speed of the computer depends on the speed of many different components, not just the processor. Now we are moving to the RAM. RAM is a random access memory where the highlighted boxes are blinking where RAM is located and placed by the motherboard. Desktop motherboard, the size of RAM is large and the laptop motherboard is the RAM size is small. RAM is also called a short-term memory. The random access memory stores temporary data in the RAM until it is needed. The short-term memory disappears when the computer is turned off. If you are working on a document, spreadsheet, other type of file, you will need to save it to avoid losing it. When you save a file, the data is written to the hard drive, which act as a long time, and hard disk and ROM is also called as a non-volatile memory, but the RAM is called volatile memory. Hard disk. Hard disks are stored the data. There are two types of hard disks. One is SATA and another one is SPATA. Nowadays we are using SATA. SATA type hard disks are used and the desktop and laptop is the size of the hard disk is different. We are using solid state drive. The solid state drive is also faster and more durable and more expensive, but the hard disks are legacy storage technology that we use a spinning disk to read write the data, and the cost wise compared by SSD and hard disk is cheaper. Next one, expansion cards. In desktop, most of the computer having expansion slot of the motherboard that allow you to add various type of expansion card. These cards are used for some specific purpose. For the graphic card, we are using the graphic card for main purpose of making animation, Photoshop, gaming, etc. LAN card, accessing the LAN port. If your inbuilt LAN card is failed, so we need to use the external LAN card. And auxiliary graphic port card, the same purpose for the using of graphical purpose. The peripheral components interface or interconnect, you may never need to add any PCI card. Most of the motherboard are built in video, sound, graphic, network and other capabilities. However, if you want to boost the performance of your PC or update the capabilities of an older PC, you can add one or more cards. Now, power supply. The power supplies are convert the power from alternative current to direct current, and it's splitting by various type of powers the motherboard required. In laptop also have built-in battery and also need an external power adapter to plug it in, and also charging power and vice versa can use anywhere, because in laptop is inbuilt battery. Once your battery is charged, you can use anywhere but in desktop always required some power backup. This is end of the video. If you have any query, you can text me on our comment. I will reply for your queries. Thanks for watching. Keep watching for my future video. Kindly subscribe and share to your friends of friends. Thank you.